In this video, we will provide instructions on how to use the talking clock to obtain the time and date, set the time and alarm, and turn the chime on and off. Let's begin with a brief orientation of the talking clock. To ensure proper positioning of the device, place the talking clock where you can feel the large button on your right. This button is used mainly to obtain the time.
It is 7:50 p.m.
To the left of this button is a smaller circular button. This is the minute button. To the left of the minute button is another small circular button, which is the hour button. The third small circular button to the left of the hour button is the mode button. Lastly, to the left of the mode button is the volume switch. To increase the volume, slide this switch to the right. To decrease the volume, slide this switch to the left. Now that we know the location of the buttons, let's get started on setting the time. First, we will need to press the mode button one time. You should hear one single beep. At this point, press the minute button for military time or 24-hour mode,
24,
or the hour button for civilian time or 12-hour mode.
12,
Once the time mode is selected, press the mode button one more time or until time set is heard.
time set,
Use the hour and minute buttons to set the correct
8
time.
p.m. 54,
Press the mode button 2 more times or until 4 beeps are heard. Now during this next segment, we will show you how to set the alarm. Press the mode button 3 times or until alarm set is heard.
alarm set,
Use the hour and minute buttons to set the alarm time.
p.m. 39, 40,
When finished, press the mode button 1 time or until 4 beeps are heard. Now that the alarm time is set, you will need to turn the alarm on. Press the hour button 1 time or until alarm on is heard.
alarm on, 6:40 p.m.
You can also use this button to enable snooze and to turn the alarm off.
Snooze on, 6:40 p.m. Alarm off.
In this last segment, we will demonstrate how to turn the hourly announcement or the chime feature on and off. To turn on the hourly announcement, press the minute button until 5 rapid beeps are heard. To turn this feature off, press the minute button until 1 beep is heard. Well, that concludes our tutorial on the talking clock. Hopefully you found this video useful.